In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export image in Canva. Whether you're wrapping up a social post, a presentation cover, or a product mockup, exporting the right way ensures your design looks sharp wherever you share it. Start by opening your design in Canva. When you're ready to save it out, look to the upper right corner of the editor and click the Share button. That's where Canva keeps all the export options. If your window is small and you don't immediately see Share, try maximizing the browser or look for an icon with an arrow. It's the same place. Quick tip: make sure your design has the name you want at the top, because that name often becomes the file name you download. From the Share menu, choose Download. This opens the download panel with all the key settings you'll need. You're in the right place if you can see file type and a few quality controls. Next, choose your file type. Pick PNG if you want crisp graphics, clean text, or a logo with hard edges. PNG preserves detail and supports transparent backgrounds, which is perfect if you plan to layer the image over other content. The trade-off is a larger file size. Choose JPG if your design is photo-heavy and you want a smaller file that loads quickly on the web or in emails. JPG doesn't support transparency, but it's efficient and widely compatible. If you're unsure, PNG is a safe default for quality. JPG is great when file size matters. Before you export, adjust the optional settings in this panel. The size or quality slider lets you scale up for a higher resolution output, or down to keep the file light. If you selected PNG and need a cutout style image, enable transparent background. For JPG, the compression option helps reduce file size further. Just don't push it so far that the image starts to look blocky. When everything looks good, click Download. Canva will prepare your file, then save it to your device, usually your Downloads folder on desktop. If you're on mobile, it may save to your camera roll or Files app, depending on your device settings. Give it a moment to finish, then open the file to confirm it looks the way you expect. And that's it. Share, download, choose PNG or JPG, and download. With these choices dialed in, your Canva image will be export ready for any platform.